Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up YouTube Kids on TV. So in order to do it, you first need to open the YouTube Kids application on your TV. So you will have to first download the application on your TV. After that, you will have to enter the year that you were born to verify your age. Then you need to sign in into your account, and the sign in page will look something like this, where you can create your kids profile and you can add your account here. The accounts will look something like this, where this is you and this will be your kids profile. So you can create your profile like this. Now once you click on the kids profile, it will redirect you on the kids section, where you can basically watch cartoons, and if you want to come back, you will have to switch to the profile, and then you will be able to access the normal YouTube channels. So this is how you can basically set up YouTube Kids on TV. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.